doing 10 single crochet to practice straight edges. I've done 7 already. Right here is your turning chain. Don't count that. We'll count the posts first. Counting is key. When you're starting, best to count as you work and go back and count after. Now counting the top V's. 7 both times. Need 3 more to finish the row. That's where counting helps. You know how many you have left. To work in that last V, make sure you see both sides of that V. At the end there's a little bit of a bump, but that's your turning chain from before. So work right into that V, and when you pull your hook up, that edge pulls nice and straight. There's no weird bumps or angles. Finish the stitch and your edge should be nice and straight. Count again. There's 10 and that turning chain from the start.